Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we'll be making sambusa. You will need half a kilogram of lamb mince, 2 packets of spring roll pastry, 1 whole white onion, half red onion, 2 small carrots, 2 mild chilies, 3 cloves of garlic, half green pepper, half a red pepper, a bunch of parsley and a bunch of coriander, and 1 medium-sized potato. Dice up all the vegetables. Crush 3 cloves of garlic. This is a method I like to use. I add a teaspoon of salt to a mortar and pestle, which helps the garlic break down. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a heated saucepan. Next, you add your diced onions. After letting it saute for a few minutes, you can add your crushed garlic. Once the onions begin to look transparent, you can add the minced lamb. Continue to fry the meat down until it reaches a brown color. Once this happens, you can add your Maggi cube. Here I have used a chicken Maggi. Add some stock powder. Here I've used Vegeta, which is a vegetable stock powder. This step is optional. You can also substitute it with a little pinch of salt. Add 1/3 of a teaspoon of cumin powder. Add some black pepper to taste. Add some 7 spice. Boil the diced potatoes. Add your diced veggies to the meat, except the herbs. After a few minutes of sauteing the vegetables, add the cooked potatoes to the mixture. Now you should add the herbs and just mix it through off the heat. Here we're going to add a few tablespoons of water to about half a cup of plain flour. We're going to mix it up into a paste. This will be used as the glue that seals the sambusa. Here I'm cutting the spring roll pastry into thirds. I'm putting away what I'm not using so it doesn't dry out, and yeah, so I'm adding the filling at the bottom, and what you'll see next is the folding technique. Please make sure that the sambusa filling has cooled down before you have started this process. This is to avoid any holes in your sheets. Adding a second sheet to a sambusa stops the oil from seeping through. This step is optional, but I recommend it if you don't want it to be too oily. This is the quantity I managed to achieve with 2 sambusa sheets. A lot of folding was done, it took a little time, but it was completely worth it. It is great for Ramadan preparation or if you are hosting guests. If you intend to freeze these, dust them with some corn flour and put them in some freezer bags and straight into your freezer. Fry your sambusas in some medium heat oil. It doesn't take long to fry, so you just keep monitoring it and flip it a couple times until it's golden in color. Once you've plated up your sambusa, you can garnish it with spring onion and serve it with a side of sweet chili sauce. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it.